Here is a linear equation in y, and it's linear because the exponent on y is 1 and there's only one variable in this equation. Now simplify both sides first. So we have 13 plus, use the distributive property to simplify this expression. So that's 3 times 2, which is 6y, plus times minus would be minus 5 times 3, 15, equals 1. Notice this is a negative 2, so negative 2 times 3 is negative 6. Negative 2 times negative 6 is positive 12, and there's a y. Now we've simplified the expression on both sides. We can go a little further. So 6y, and then we have 13 minus 15, which is negative 2. That's equal to 1 minus 6, which is negative 5, plus 12y. Now we have to get y by itself on one side, and let's see, let's subtract 12y on both sides, so that way we get rid of the 12y on the right, and that is negative 5 plus 0, and 6y minus 12y, 6 minus 12 is negative 6y, and there's a negative 2. Now finally we can get rid of the 2 by adding 2 on both sides, and that would be negative 6y plus 0, of course. Negative 2 plus 2 is 0. And negative 5 plus 2 is negative 3. So negative 6y plus 0 is negative 6y equals negative 3. Now we need to get rid of the negative 6, but it's multiplied to y. So the only way we can get rid of the negative 6 is by dividing by the exact same number. And if we divide on the left, we need to divide on the right by negative 6 as well. So we have y equals negative divided by negative is positive. That's the rule. 3 over 6 can be simplified. So 3 times 1 over 3 times 2, that's what it is, 3 over 6. So the 3's get cancelled and we're left with 1 in the numerator, 2 in the denominator. So y equals half. We can always plug the numbers back into the equation. So we have 13 plus 3 times, since y equals half, we plug in y equals half, and that's a minus 5 equals 1 minus 2 times 3 minus 6 times half. So we simplify this. 13 plus 3 times the 2 and the 2 get cancelled. It's 1 minus 5 equals 1 minus 2 times the 2 goes 3 times into 6. So we have 3 minus 3. That's really a 0. And so that's 13 plus 3 times negative 4. 1 minus 5 is negative 4 equals 1 minus 2 times 0. So 13 minus 12, 4 times 3, negative 4 times 3 is negative 12. 1 minus 0 is 1. 13 minus 12 is 1. So y equals half satisfies the equation. So therefore y equals half is the correct solution to this equation.